Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi kids! Today, we'll draw and color an awesome excavator together. Grab your marker and let's get started. Bucket to complete the excavator.
Wow!
Wow, the excavator drawing is ready.
Yay!
Great job, everyone. Let's start coloring. First, I'll pick sky blue for the window glass. Look at the big shiny window. Perfect for waving at everyone. Then, I'll choose purple for the boom. Next, I'll use yellow for the arm. For the bucket, I'll pick light green. The boom is the muscle, the arm is the helper, and the bucket is the hungry mouth saying, "Feed me dirt."
Whoa!
The bottom part of the bucket and the nuts will be red. I'll color the cabin orange to make it bright. The cabin is like the boss's office, fancy and important. I'll use yellow and red for the signal light. The signal light says, "Hey, watch out! I'm doing serious work here." Whoa! Let's color the engine box light green. The engine box is like the excavator's tummy. Keep it cool with the hot air fence. The engine fence will be a mix of red and yellow. I'll use purple for the exhauster and the track chain. The track chain helps it go, vroom vroom, I'm unstoppable. Yellow goes inside the chain part, and dark green for the wheels. Roller wheels are like sneakers for the excavator, comfy and fast. And there you go! Our excavator is ready to dig some soil. Doesn't it look amazing? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye.